Hello students, today I welcome you all on behalf of Rasa International School to study the topic Matter in Our Surroundings. Under this topic we will study evaporation and the factors which affects the rate of evaporation. So let us discuss these topics in today's lecture. Now what is evaporation? In the case of liquids, basically evaporation is a phenomena where we deal with liquids, okay? A small fraction of particles at the surface having high kinetic energy is able to break from the forces of attraction of other particles and get converted into vapors. That means those particles which lie on the surface of the fluid, that is liquid, and those particles having higher kinetic energy, and they are able to overcome the force of attraction between the other particles and get away from them and get converted into vapors. Means जो particles liquid के surface पे हैं और उनकी kinetic energy इतनी है कि वो अपने जो other particles के साथ जो force of attraction है उसको overcome करके liquid state से gaseous state में आ जाएंगे and forms vapor. This phenomena is known as evaporation, and this can be done or this can happen at any temperature. So thus the phenomena of change of liquid into vapors at any temperature, this is very important, below boiling point. जरूरी नहीं है कि boiling point achieve हो तभी ये evaporation होगा. It can happen at any temperature. Okay, so the conversion of liquid into vapors of any substance that is of liquid in state at any temperature below its boiling point is known as evaporation. Now we will discuss the factors affecting the evaporation. So we will move on to the factors which affects the evaporation are surface area, temperature, humidity and wind speed. Evaporation is basically the process which deals with the surface of the liquid. Okay, so how it is related to the surface area, let us see. So factors affecting the evaporation, the first factor is surface area. As the evaporation is a surface phenomena, if the area, that is the surface area, is increased, then what will happen? The rate of evaporation will also increase. And vice versa, means if the surface area of the liquid decrease, then the rate of evaporation will also decrease. For example, while putting clothes for drying, we will spread them out. जब कपड़े हम सुखाते हैं तो उनको फैला के डालते हैं. Why? So that to increase the surface area and they are able to get dry quickly. Okay, now the second factor which affects the rate of evaporation is temperature. So when there is an increase in temperature, more number of particles get enough kinetic energy to go into vapor state. Means जब kinetic energy बढ़ेगी, कब बढ़ेगी? When the temperature will rise up. So when the temperature will increase, the kinetic energy of the particle will increase. So they are able to get free away and they are able to become vapor of that particular substance. And vice versa, means the rate of evaporation increases with the increase in temperature and decreases with the decrease in temperature. This is very important. So first is surface area, we have understood. Second is the temperature. They are both directly related. If the surface area increase, the evaporation rate increase. If the temperature increase, the evaporation rate increase, and vice versa. Okay, now the third phenomena is humidity. Now what is humidity? First we have to understand that we are able to relate the humidity with evaporation, that is rate of evaporation. Humidity is the amount of water vapor present in air. Humidity क्या है कि कितने water vapor के content air के अंदर present हैं. So the air around us cannot hold more than a definite amount of water vapors at a given temperature. So a particular volume of air, okay, cannot hold the water molecules beyond its limit. Means a definite amount of vapors can be held by that particular volume of air. So if the amount of water in air is already high, means if the water vapor content is already high, then the rate of evaporation decrease. means if the humidity is high, the rate of evaporation will decrease, and if the humidity is low, the rate of evaporation will increase. So it is inversely related to the humidity, means the rate of evaporation is inversely related to humidity, means if humidity is high, the evaporation is low. If the humidity is low, then the evaporation will be high. Now the fourth one is the wind speed. It is a common observation that clothes dry faster on a windy day, means when the air blows up faster. Okay, so air flows up faster, then the rate of evaporation is faster. So with the increase in wind speed, the particles of water vapor move away with wind, so decreasing the amount of water vapors in the surroundings. So the rate of evaporation increases and vice versa, means what happen actually, whenever the speed of wind is high, the rate of evaporation will be faster. So this is an example of air cooler which we are using in our home. Okay, there what we apply, we will apply a fan, and we will as soon as the fan is switched on, the rate of evaporation is faster, and we will feel a change in temperature in room, that the temperature of the room goes down during a hot summer day. Why? Because of that fan. Okay, and we are also using dry grass which is being used to absorb the water and increase the surface area so as to increase the rate of evaporation. So a air cooler is an example where we are using the surface phenomena of evaporation. Secondly, the speed of wind. Third, it is being used in hot summer days when the humidity is low. Okay, and hot summer days the temperature is also high. So in air cooler you can apply all these four factors which affect the rate of evaporation. Thank you. Admissions are open for Rasa International School. The following details are available. You can contact on the given numbers. Okay, and the admissions are open from playgroup to class 9th. Thank you.